Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we got another episode of Simple and Effective Tech. We got the UGREEN GAN fast charger. Now this is 4 ports, maximum power, 100 watts. Now you can pick this up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $67.99. Now on a side note, if you use discount code 15UGREEN, you're going to save 15%, bringing the price down to $57.99. I repeat, $57.99. All right, so let's get right into this. Now, the holiday season is right around the corner. This is a perfect stocking stuffer for the tech enthusiasts. Now, before we get into this, I do want to answer one question, and we're going to do this scientifically. Will an iPhone charge faster using a 100-watt charger as opposed to a 30-watt charger? Now, we all know iPhones charge anywhere between 25 and 30 watts max. But you ever noticed if you use your MacBook charger, it just seems like your iPhone charges faster? I know it seems like that to me, but let's put it to the test. So I got 2 completely dead iPhones. We got a timer. I got a 30-watt charger and a 100-watt PD charger. So let's set it up. All right, so let me grab a little unboxing knife and let's unbox this real quick. Here we go. $57.99 after the discount. Okay, let's see, did we miss anything? 4 ports, fast charging, smart protection, foldable plug, wide compatibility. Okay, here we go. Nice clean white box. Y'all know I like that. Giggity. Okay, inside you got your usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. And that's pretty much it. Now, this is a GAN charger. So what is GAN? Okay, basically you're getting more power in a smaller package. Now, y'all remember a 100-watt charger used to be about this big? This is a 100-watt charger with 4 ports. Now, I'm going to show you the chart in a minute about the power delivery. Foldable prongs. Okay, so let's put this to the test real quick just to settle this iPhone myth. We're going to charge up one iPhone using a 30-watt charger, one iPhone using a 100-watt PD. Now, on a side note, iPhones charge between 25 and 30 watts. Apple says 25. Unofficially, people say 27. So we'll just use the 30 watt just to be safe. Let's go ahead and plug these in and set up a timer. Okay, so here we go. Now let's just make sure both iPhones are completely dead. Okay, completely dead. Now for the gold cable, this is the 100-watt charger. The white cable, 30-watt charger. Okay, so let's start with the 30. Plug it right in. Bong. Plug the gold one in. Bong, just like that. Now, I'm going to set up a little timer, and we'll see what happens. Okay, now this is interesting. At 4 minutes, both of these powered up at exactly the same time. The Apple logo popped up. So far, we're running neck and neck. All right, so we're going to tap in at around 15 minutes. Now, if this one is even a little bit faster, that's automatically a win. But I'm telling y'all, in my mind, it seems like when I use my big chargers, my iPhone charges way faster. All right, here we go. 15 minutes. 30-watt charger, 8%. 100-watt charger, 21%. Men lie, women lie, numbers don't. This is pretty interesting. Now look, y'all know I'm on some nerd shit. I like this kind of stuff. Let's wait for another 15 minutes. All right, let's see that one more time. 8% versus 21%. So I knew it wasn't in my mind. When I use my big chargers, my iPhone does charge faster. Let's wait a few more minutes. All right, so 30 minutes went by. We got the 100-watt charger on the left, 30-watt charger on the right. Here we go. 16% versus 47%. This is kind of crazy. Let's let it run a little bit more. Now, I'm going to let this timer run to 45 minutes, but in the meantime, I want y'all to take a look at the power delivery chart. Now, this is a 4-port PD charger, 100 watts, 30% smaller. Now, you can charge your MacBook Pro 14-inch, full charge, and 1.4 hours. Now, your MacBook Pro 16-inch, full charge, 1.5 hours. Now, here's the chart. So, if you're using one port at a time, all right, the first port is PD 100. The second port is PD 100. The third one is PD 22.5, and the last one is 22.5. Now, if you're going to use multiple ports, here's how it breaks down. All right, the first two will be PD 65 and 30. Next one, the first and the third, will be PD 65 and 22.5 and down the line. Okay, so just make sure you take a look at this chart when charging multiple devices at once. All right, so I don't have all day for this, so I'm going to stop this test at 45 minutes. Now, y'all already know, these Android phones would have been at 100 a long time ago, but we're dealing with these slow-ass iPhones. Let's see what it is. All right, at 45 minutes. So we got the Spigen 30-watt charger on the right, the UGREEN 100-watt charger on the left. 45 minutes. Both of these phones were completely dead. Okay, these are the same phones. Both plugs are directly in a wall outlet. Okay, so no excuses. This is what it is. Here we go. Now let the suspense build up. Exactly 45 minutes. So we got 24% versus 69%. This is crazy. Okay, this is crazy. Now let's go ahead and unplug these. Now you see for yourself. This is the Spigen. Okay, this is the Power IQ 30-watt charger. And this was the UGREEN 100-watt charger. Now, just for size comparison, here's my 100-watt charger from Asus. Here's the UGREEN 100-watt charger, about the same size, but check this out. The UGREEN has 4 ports. The Asus has 1 port. Okay? Now, remember, when you want to fast charge multiple devices, use the chart. But if you got one iPhone and you got shit, shower, and shave status, and you quickly want to juice it up, look at the difference. Your phone would be on 69% versus 25% in 45 minutes. All right, I call that a win. Now let's try to charge up multiple devices at the same time. All right, now one more thing I wanted to mention. I travel a lot, and as I was cleaning up my table, I have this in one hand and this in the other hand. Which would you rather travel with? 4 of these chargers or 1 of these? It's just that simple. All right, so I'm going to plug in 4 devices at the same time. But before we do that, ladies and gentlemen, late but still great, White Shoes is back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love
White
my
shoes.
white shoes.
Calm down. Okay, you late for your cable inspection duties. Okay, so we got 4 cables right here. Let's see what we got. We got an iPhone cable. We got 2 iPhones and 2 USB Type-Cs. Okay, so let's go ahead and plug this in. Okay, so we'll start off with the max power on the top. This will be USB Type-C. Let's plug in a MacBook. We got the 16-inch big boy MacBook Pro. Okay, now that one is charging up. You can see the battery charge icon on the top. Charging up. Okay, so let's grab a few more devices. Next up, let's see, we got USB Type-C. Let's grab Galaxy Z Fold. Okay, that one is charging up. Next up, we got an iPhone cable. Let's grab another iPhone. Okay, that's charging up. And we got one more iPhone cable. Let's grab one more iPhone. Bam, charging up. So we got one iPhone charging. Got another iPhone charging. Let's make sure they both charging. Okay, let's make sure that Z Fold is charging. Okay, see that one is charging up. And let's check the big boy MacBook on the top. I don't know if y'all can see that. That one is charging up as well. Let's zoom in. It's hard to get this on camera. Let me zoom out a little bit. But it is charging up. Okay, so we got 4 devices at the same time. Let's try 4 more. All right, so this time we got 3 USB Type-Cs and an iPhone charger. So let's plug this in. Okay, let's start off with iPad Pro. All right, this is the big boy. Okay, that's charging up. Let's grab JBL speaker. Plug that in. Okay, wait for the lights. Okay, that's charging up. Let's grab another iPhone. Plug that in. Okay, that's charging up. And for the last one, let's grab a set of earbuds. Plug these in. There it is. Okay, so iPhone charging. Let's make sure everything is still charging. There's the light. Let's check the big boy. Okay, that's charging up. iPhone charging up. Earbuds charging up. 4 devices at the same time. Let's go ahead and wrap this up. All right, so let me just show y'all one more. Now, if you like me and you walk around with 4 phones, or you go on vacation, you, your girl, your kid, and your trap phone, here's how it's gonna look like. Plug it in. All 4 devices charging at the same time. All right, so here's a frequently asked question. Why does it sometimes wake up my device when I plug in or unplug another device? Here's the answer. When multiple devices are connected at the same time, plugging a new device in or unplugging any of the devices from the charger will render a short pause for other devices. This short pause is due to the power distribution of the charger. Let me show you what that looks like. All right, so I'm going to plug in 4 devices at the same time. Now you'll see a little pause. Okay, so all of them just started charging. Now it redistributes the power. And if you look closely, they're all still charging. Okay, so the first one, still charging up. Second one, still charging up. Third one, charging up. And the iPhone still charging up. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the UGREEN GAN 100 watt fast charger a major go. This is the fastest way to charge up your iPhone, and you can charge 4 devices at the same time. Now, this is also perfect for travel because you can fold up the prongs and fit this easily into your bag. The holiday season is right around the corner. If you know that tech enthusiast that got everything, this is a perfect gift. This is the definition of simple and effective tech. Anyway, don't forget to use the discount code, save 15%, and get this for $57.99. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes. Picture the day. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize.
I want everybody to subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real tech reviews. Now, Flossy Carter, we know you flossy. Now, guess what? I'm flashy. Money May all day, the one and only. Flossy Carter, you part of the money team.